When work obligations brought me out to Las Vegas, it was my goal to find Hilton Honors resorts that fit the bill. But would they give off that Vegas vibe, or would I just be bored? Let's see. My first stop on this trip is right on the Strip, the Waldorf Astoria. Here's my ride now. I've stayed here as recently as 2 years ago, but they have done a ton of work to this downstairs lobby area. It's much brighter, but you still have to take a first elevator before you get to the main tower elevator, which you use to get to your room.
Welcome to room 1123 at the Waldorf Astoria on the Strip in Las Vegas. Coming into the room immediately over to the left, you see me in the mirror. That's probably not what you'll find, but I've got this beautiful closet space over here. Already gone ahead and hung up my jacket. It's got a robe, ironing board, lots of space. I've got room for my luggage right here, putting it at an easy spot to reach. And then over here is a valet closet. If you've got any kind of laundry to send out or shoes to get shined, you go ahead and you pop it in here, and then you call down to the front desk and they'll go ahead and they'll pick it up from the hallway and they won't have to disturb you. And same goes for when they drop it back off. It'll be there and they don't have to bother you. Coming further into the room is this gorgeous bathroom with this beautiful bathtub with exposed light into the rest of the room, double vanity. There's me again. Nice Aesop toiletries, shower space in here, also with those great toiletries. As well as this room for the toilet. It's just a really nice, bright space with some privacy from the room, but also, given that it's just for me, it actually works pretty well. King-size bed, bottles of water on both sides, couch up against the windows, desk for work. And the amazing thing about this room is this view out onto the rest of the Strip. You literally feel like you can just go right out and touch it.
The Waldorf is a short walk over to the Cosmopolitan, which has a great collection of restaurants, including China Poblano by Jose Andres. Just look at this allergen menu. Now, our channel is about travel with kids with dietary restrictions, but this trip was just me. We follow a gluten-free and dairy-free diet, and we find that Mexican restaurants often provide some of the best options for us. And I couldn't pass up a chance to get tableside guacamole, and I rounded out my lunch with a chicken taco. But one of the main focuses of my trip would be to join some colleagues at the Sphere. Full disclosure, if you take a regular taxi, you will get dropped at the Venetian and have a long 10-minute walk through the Venetian's convention area back to the Sphere. If you take a ride share, on the other hand, you get dropped much closer. But it is quite a sight to behold. I can't help but feeling like I'm in Tomorrowland at Walt Disney World. You're encouraged to arrive a full hour early to go through the exhibits.
I think your family left. Hello, my friend raising their hand. I would stop with the friend in the headband and then move on to the friend in the design of the shirt.
But I can't help but think it's more about getting people into the venue so that they buy more food and drink, which is largely the kinds of things you would find at arenas. But the space itself is epic and breathtaking. So the time really does pass quickly, even if the exhibits aren't going to command much attention. Then you get into the room. It's worth saying we were here for the film Postcards from Earth. We were not seeing the Resident U2 show. And I kind of liked the movie, even if I felt like it was something I've already seen in various forms at Epcot. Following the Sphere, we headed back through the Venetian Resort for dinner at HaSalon by Eyal Shani, the same chef in charge of Malka where Laura, the kids, and I ate in Tel Aviv. Decorated with the same tomato motif, our first dish was that same charred beets with horseradish that I liked so much in Israel. But this is Vegas, and a party mood prevailed. The food was delicious as expected and super workable with my restrictions.
It's on fire! Yes. Well, that's going to be completely debunked.
Heading from one event to another, I'd be leaving the Waldorf and its views to head to the Virgin Hotel a few blocks away off the Strip. At the Virgin Hotel, I'd be staying in the Ruby Tower, which is actually the VIP tower here. Now, Laura and I are big fans of the Virgin brand from when we took our cruise on Virgin Voyages this past summer, and while I know that they are different companies, that scarlet red motif is consistent throughout. Welcome to room 11209 in the Ruby Tower, a VIP room at the Virgin Hotel in Las Vegas. When you first come through the door, you've got this closet-ish thing that's not really a closet. It's kind of similar to some of the cabins on Virgin Voyages, actually. And then, ooh, what lives inside here? Let's see. Oh, mirror. Hi. Also has some plugs set up here. So this is a good workspace right here. We've got full-length mirror over here, bottles of water. So that's where my resort fee goes. Here's another one of those closets. There's a safe down there. Then we head into this beautiful sitting room area with a TV on this side. More water over there. Posters. Let's take a look outside, see what we can see, if we can see anything. We can see a parking lot. You can also see in the distance the Strip, but kind of on an angle. Coming back over here, now we've got this awesome bed and lounger, obviously another TV on this side. Got a sheep, which I guess is to help you fall asleep if you want to count him. I'm assuming it's a him. Really cool art up here in the room. Ooh, and I like that lighting fixture over there. Got this awesome bathroom with a big tub. Nice shower. Toilet. Double vanity. There I am again. So, pretty awesome room. I did not book this size room originally, but I was offered it for a $20 upgrade, which I gladly took. I would only be here a short time, but I still have to eat, and since I'm a bit off the strip, I have to look on site. And I was lucky to find Pizza Forte, which was prepared with both gluten-free crusts and vegan cheese. And that wraps up my quick 2-night, 2-event, 2-hotel, 1 hungry traveler trip focusing on Hilton Honors hotels. And the truth is that I would stay at either one in their own right. Till next time, travelers, when the Gang of 5 will finally be back together at Walt Disney World and on a Royal Caribbean cruise. Subscribe to catch it.